The Mother Bird. Once upon a time, there was a big storm. The wind blew really hard, and the rain poured from the sky. In a tall tree, there was a bird's nest. The baby birds inside were scared. They chirped loudly, and their mommy bird tried to keep them safe. She spread her wings and covered them. The storm roared, but the mommy bird protected their babies. After a while, the storm went away and the sky became calm. The baby birds were safe in their nest thanks to their brave mommy bird. The moral of the story is that a mother's love and protection are strong even in the face of difficult times. Thanks for watching.